In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you several short codes and techniques to streamline your workflow in Excel. 1. The keyboard shortcut method. First, let's look at how to quickly add a line to your sheet. To insert, select your target area and press Ctrl Shift+. A menu will appear asking where to shift the data. If you select Shift Cells Down, it will insert the new space exactly where you need it. To generalize, entire row if you want to apply this across the entire sheet rather than just a selection. Simply select the row header and hit Ctrl Shift+ again to add a full row instantly. To delete, to remove a row, like number 5 in our example, just press Ctrl-. Precision deleting. If you don't want to affect the entire row, select only the specific cells you want to remove and press Ctrl-. When the prompt appears, choose Shift Cells Up, and the data will close the gap without disturbing the rest of your layout. 2. The Shift Drag technique, surgical insertion. Now let's use a more visual technique. Adding rows without affecting the other tables. Highlight the specific area where you want to add new rows. Hold down the Shift key. You'll notice your cursor changes into a unique icon with 2 dashed lines and up/down arrows. While holding Shift, click and drag the left mouse button down for as many rows as you need. Release the button, and you've surgically inserted blank spaces. To remove to delete those same blank spaces, highlight them, hold Shift, grab the fill handle, and drag the cursor back up. Release, and the space is gone. 3. Dynamic dragging. You can even use this across different sections of your data. Select an area, hold Shift, and drag up to remove specific blocks of data. Select your cells, hold Shift, and drag down to create space below. These quick shortcuts are designed to make your Excel work faster, cleaner, and more professional. That's all for today. Try these out and see how much time you save.